Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for fried bok choy with chicken, Guyanese style. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. I already went ahead and seasoned my chicken, and I'll share the process in just a minute. I already chopped my bok choy, and I'll be using some tomatoes, onions, garlic, and some fresh herbs, Wiri peppers. And for the seasoning, I have some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and black pepper. I am under the weather today guys, not feeling well, so please bear with me. So to season my chicken, I have chicken thighs here, boneless. I did went ahead and wash it first, and I'll be using some Chinese sauce, green seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and seasoned salt. So here you want to just add all your seasoning, including the green seasoning here, along with some Chinese sauce for color, and mix well to combine. Cover and let it marinate for about an hour. Now to a preheated pot with some oil, I will add my chicken, and you want to give this a little toss and allow it to cook thoroughly before adding the rest of the ingredients. Occasionally you want to just keep stirring this to make sure it's cooked evenly on all sides. And like I said, once it is done cooking, you will proceed to the next step. After about 15 minutes of cooking, we will now add our aromatics and our fresh herbs, give it a toss, and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. So at this point you want to add the bok choy in. If you have a large enough pot, you can add all at once, but my pot isn't big enough, so I will add half at a time. Add the half in, cover it, and just allow it to wilt. Once it wilts, you want to go in and give it a stir, and then we will add the other half in, cover, and allow that to wilt as well. Once all the bok choy is added into the pot, you want to season to add flavor and taste. Now you want to add a little bit of seasoning at a time. Remember that you can add, but you cannot take away. So go light on the seasoning for now, and later on if you need more, you can add that in. So we will give this a good stir, and we will leave this uncovered because like I said, bok choy is a watery vegetable, and it will produce a lot of liquid. So we want to cook away some of that liquid. We will leave it uncovered and let it cook on high heat until most of the liquid evaporates. And this here is how I like my bok choy. I don't like it too dry. I like, a little bit of gravy in there. But if you like yours dry, you can cook it more until all the liquid evaporates. So here you have it, my version of the most delicious, fried bok choy. I will now plate this up and show you guys the finished product. So I pair this up with some plain white rice. You don't need anything else here. Now if you want to eat it with some dal, you can go ahead and do that. But plain white rice for me today. I truly enjoyed it, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.